Hi, it's Karen with Epicure Nutrition. I thought I would give you a recipe example for the carbohydrate with the fat or protein. Quick snack, also would make a lovely hors d'oeuvre or dessert. So I have some figs. They have a little bit of give to them. I got them from the street vendor, $3 for the container. I used vinegar to clean them off, let them sit for about 5 minutes, then scrubbed and rinsed them. So I'm going to take the fig. I'm just going to take the little stem part off. I'm going to cut it in half. And then I'm going to take a little bit of blue cheese. Apart from blue cheese, you could use something like a feta cheese. Those nice strong cheeses work really well. And then I'm going to top it with a balsamic vinegar. I'm using the vinegar instead of the reduction because the reduction has added sugar. So I'm just going to take a little bit of the vinegar and put it on top. And now it is time to taste. Sweet, pungent, a little acidic. That's vegetarian.